Hi, my name is Dr. Mary John Sanjeev, an assistant professor at VIT Bhopal campus. I wish to give a screencast presentation of the WordPress page that I have created as a part of my FDB program from IIT Mumbai. First of all, I created a WordPress account in the name Mary8778 and my WordPress blog and profile page will be visible in the URL. I created 5 pages as displayed on the screen: blog post, presentation, profile, journal, contact. I updated the blog post page by clicking on this link. I added a YouTube video and image as suggested in the course requirements. On the profile page, I copied and pasted my resume. On the journal page, I have given a link for the PDF uploaded to the WordPress media section. On the presentations page, I have given a link to the uploaded PPT file on the media section. WordPress has got features for uploading media of any kind on the media link from the administrative login. I have found WordPress as very useful tool for creating a web-based learning platform to share blogs, videos, documents, presentations, etc. I am happy to use such tools for my classrooms to make it more dynamic and tech-friendly. Thanks.